Global changes brings global opportunities. Intercontinental has rapidly become a smart equipment solution provider globally in the past 2 decades under this circumstance, and will be focused on globalization and localization influence in the coming decade. As a leading SMT factory solutions provider with 25 years SMT industry experience, Intercontinental provides customers with professional solution and service, supported by collaboration of worldwidely profound partners and superior resources from Asia. We offers local customers with systematic one-stop SMT solutions. Intercontinental core team has accumulated well experience in the development of the Asian electronics manufacturing industry for decades. More than a complete set of equipment, added values are provided by Intercontinental to customers too, such as SMT technical support, service concepts, and professional advice. We prefer to share our experiences with overseas local customers to help them develop their local markets and customers. We would love to contribute our strengthen to the development of every customer's industry in the field of semiconductor, biomedical, industrial control, automotive electronics, aerospace, smart display, consumer electronics, and others. With global industrial labor transform, Intercontinental has made strategic adjustment and increased investment in overseas markets since 2017. Overseas customers' percentage exceeds 90%. Global resources, local services. This concept is highly recognized and praised by more and more customers.